Hello friends, welcome back to Department of Physics. In semester 5, we are going to learn few new things. Due to corona effect and this condition or condition, we are going to plan to handle few courses online. So please, this is the introduction portion. Go through it. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact by email, by phone, or anything. Everyone does have my number and email ID, so you need not have to worry. So in this semester, if you go and if you check, basis this presentation is basically focused on syllabus discussion. So as you know, we are going to deal with two papers, Physics 1 and Physics 2. In paper 1, you are going to study elements of modern physics which contains fundamental quantum theory, Schrodinger equation and its application, nuclear and radio physics. This paper will be covered by Bairwar sir and Gaikwad madam, and the second paper, which contains crystal structure. The second paper is basically of solid state physics, which contain crystal structure, magnetic properties of materials, dielectric properties of materials, element band theory, and superconductivity. So this paper mostly portion will be covered by me, and if we get any contributory like every year, then she will be or he will be covering remaining portion. So but need not to worry. So if we are going to deal with like online classes, so I can cover all four in it in given time. So just be with me, have patience, and we can easily complete this paper. This is one of the easiest paper you can have, where you are going to see the crystal structure which you already aware and you have in 12th standard. Magnetic properties, you also know that the magnetism are distributed into three types, fundamentally those three types, then dielectric properties, and then what are the theories to explain materials or elements, and at last there is a new category of materials that we call as a superconductivity. We will see that. So in detail, if you go and check, so in paper 2, so as I said, I'm going to focus on second paper. So in this lecture, we are going to deal with, or I'm going to discuss syllabus of second paper only. In for first paper, maybe either sir or madam will be discuss the topics, and they will provide the lectures or another required documents or notes on that topic. So, as I said, in second paper is focused on solid state physics. In unit 1, your unit 1 is constrained to discuss about crystal structure and diffraction of crystal, which contain in detail solid, amorphous and crystalline material, distinguish between amorphous and crystalline material, what is lattice translation vector, translation with a basis. So we will see what is basis, so how we can translate to form a structure, then periodicity in crystals. All right. Then we will go and see what is unit cell, mirror indices, what is reciprocal lattice, types of lattice, and Brillouin zones. So after that, you know that how to detect the material of having which crystal structure. For that, you need technique, X-ray techniques, and the process is called diffraction of crystal. So in diffraction of crystals, we are going to study diffraction of X-ray by crystals, then Bragg's law, and then Bragg's X-ray spectrometer. So those things will be covered and we will see. And in next unit, we will see the magnetic properties of matter, in which we will consider di, para, ferromagnetic material, then Langevin theory, which is a classical theory to explain di and paramagnetic domains. Then we will again see the quantum mechanical treatment like of paramagnetism and Curie law. Again, we will extrapolate our knowledge for West theory of magnetism and ferromagnetic domain. Then we will discuss BH curve, hysteresis, energy loss, and numerical on that topics. Uh, in third unit, uh, we will discuss the dielectric properties of matter, in which we will see the polarization, then polarization, electric vector, dielectric vector, and polarization vector. Then local electric field of an atom, and depolarization field also we call it as. Then susceptibility, polarizability, Clausius-Mosotty equation, and its molecular interpretation and limitations. Again, we will see the classical theory of polarizability, normal and anomalous depression, Cauchy and Selmayr relations, and Langevin-Debye equation. Also in last, we will see the complex dielectric constant and optical phenomena. So these are the basic fundamental dielectric properties with little bit application and advanced thing we will going to discuss. And in last unit, we will see the how we can explain conductor, semiconductor, and insulator using different theories. So in your last unit is again content to different fields like elementary band theory and superconductivity. Those are completely independent topics, but interesting to learn. So in first part of the unit, we will see the energy band picture of conductor, semiconductor, and insulator, along with Kronig-Penney model, all effect, Fermi level, and Fermi energy. And in second part, we will see theory of superconductivity, type 1 and type 2 superconductor, effects of external electric field on conductor, on superconductor, critical temperature and critical magnetic field and Meissner effect. So these are very basic things about superconductivity with not many equations. We will focus on that. So this is your last unit. So once again, we have like 4 units. Uh, all are like first unit is crystal structure and diffraction of crystals. Second is magnetic properties. Third is dielectric properties, and fourth is elementary band theory and superconductivity. So I hope you will get along all this topic along with me. If you have any difficulties at any point of lecture, you can contact me or you can inform me. After lecture also you can discuss with me the topic you are facing problem. That's all for this slide. That's all for this small lecture. Have a nice time. We will start with unit in next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice time.